Yo, what's good everybody? This is Suhail back with Feelgood Threads, and today I'm super amped because I finally got my pair of Jordan 1 Court Purples. So I'll be sharing with you guys what these guys look like. I'll give you an honest assessment of what the quality looks like as well. We'll compare them to some shoes, and we'll also do a legit check on them as well. So if you're looking to copy this pair, which I highly recommend you do before the prices go up, then this is the video for you. So let's start off with the box. As a lot of you guys know, that if you're a sneakerhead, you're pretty familiar with this Jordan 1 box. Really, there isn't anything different with this one and most of the other ones I've been picking up, but we do have a difference in the shoebox label. So let's kind of go over that together. The label here says 555088-501. That's the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. And the colorway here says Court Purple / Black - Sail. Sail is always like an off-white, kind of a cream color there. So this is a size 12. Obviously it shows you the Euro, the UK, and the CM, which I think that's China, not positive. The different sizes there. And so let's unbox this guy. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. So as you guys know, standard tissue paper here. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I already wore these guys today actually. I put them on toe as soon as I got them. But here's a good look at what these guys look like in the box, outside the box. So as you guys could see, the quality on these guys is definitely up there with some of the better releases here. This portion here is the actual sail. It's like it's a creamish, like an off-white color. I actually prefer that color when it comes to this kind of a purple colorway in the front. You can see the toe box there. Let me give you guys a quick press. It's a toe box press, just so you guys could see the elasticity and stretch of it. This toe box, in my opinion, is comparable to maybe the Bread 1 toe boxes that came out on the Bread toe ones. Stitching looks pretty good on it. I would say that the leather quality here on the cream is a lot nicer than the actual purple parts. At least if you're into that tumbled leather. You could see this has a nice smooth finish on the heel. Stitching looks good. So there isn't any factory flaws like we've been seeing with some of the other releases. But yeah, all in all guys, this pair, man, is really fly, man, if you guys didn't pick this pair up. So I would highly recommend you guys look into it now. I just got this pair. I had to pay resale. I couldn't even pick it up at retail, unfortunately. Oh, and one other thing here. The box lid on the inside. There's the box lid right there. You guys could see there's a stamp here. My stamp is very much smudged, so I'll read it out to you guys. It looks like 6806151-7N. So that's the box lid. Nothing special or crazy about the box lid. Let's unbox the rest of this guy here. Just to give you guys a comparison, that's the second shoe, the left side. For some, well, and this is common, the leather looks a little bit more supple and tumbled right here on this one over this one. This is the reverse shattered backboard. So let me show you guys what I mean by when they have that cream leather and it looks really good. Here is, you guys can see that. That is a really nice tumbled leather. It's soft, and I really love this pair because of that. Unfortunately, my pair didn't get that same look right here. But this pair here did. So that's interesting. So here's a look at the leather here. You guys could see It presses in. Has that tumbled look. And here is more of a smoother leather. Still that same sail color, but it's smoother. So just to give you an idea now, the toe box, smooth purple toe box there. And again, nice supple leather here on them shattered backboards, the reverse shattered backboards. So I don't know how you guys want to rate that in quality wise. I'd love to hear your guys' opinion on these two shoes. Obviously we've got a very coveted shoe with the shattered backboard. This was the sequel to it. From what I hear, it's not as great leather. I consider this to be really nice when it comes down to actual leather quality, stitching. And these guys, I'll tell you right now, are a lot more limited than the pine greens were. So if you're gonna see one of them shoot up out of the two, it's gonna be this pair here, and the sizes like 7.5 men to 9.5 have already shot up in both sizes. I'm not sure if that's because the Asian market is picking up most of the pairs and they're shipping them out to Asia. Obviously they've got big trends in Nike, and Jordan 1s have been coming out all year. So that's possibly a reason that there's a shortage of supply here in the US, because they get picked up, they get snatched, and they're getting exported out to Asia, to the Asian buyers. So if you're looking between 7.5 to 9.5, good luck, buddy. You guys are probably gonna be in the $350 range to pick these up. I got these today for $250 from a dude that was local to me, and I just kind of lucked out. You know, with that said, guys, I think this is a pretty awesome pickup, man. Oh, one thing, guys, I laced this guys up all the way. The actual lace should just be one lace here. So if you have it already all laced up, that's not a good sign, especially if someone's telling you it's dead stock. They did come with another pair of laces. Let me share that with you real quick. The laces were purple pair of laces there, you guys can see, and mine's looked rolled up. Guys, the most important thing when you're looking at legit checking these shoes is looking at some of the features that I told you. The toe box should be smooth here in the front. It should have a really nice supple leather here in the off-white or the sail portion here. The back heel tab, the stitching should be on point. So this is one part that a lot of people don't take a look at, and they should be looking at the stitching. If the stitching looks off, you got to definitely take a look at that pair, because most of these, from what I understand, the stitching has been nice. You have to look at the stitching here as well, where the swoosh is. It should come up, I'd say about 2 more stitches above the swoosh, and then it should go all the way down to this lace hole right here. So that's where the drop is. So look for that as well. If you guys see a toe box that looks kind of funny, some of the toe boxes still aren't perfected by the counterfeiters here, but like I said, I mean, Jordan 1s at this point, guys, it's really difficult to tell the difference between a counterfeit and an authentic pair. So it's always best if you can buy them at retail, which I think everybody wants to do, but at the same time, if you can't, maybe StockX or Go might be your next option. So with that said, guys, let me know whether you guys picked this court purple pair up, whether you guys picked up the pine greens, or you guys just said nah to either one of them. Yo, don't forget to hit that like button for me. Please let me know if this review was useful for you guys, and let me know your guys' thoughts about these court purple ones. With that said, I gotta put these joints on, and I'm out of here, guys. My name is Suhail with Feelgood Threads. Peace.
Welcome this shit to vibe with, turn up real, don't keep it silent. Fake thugs, dead at violence, most of y'all be fearing sirens. Still trying to find my balance, keep my faith, display my talents. Hustle dough, vacation islands, donate dollars, slay them tyrants. Holy water, sip from challenge.